everybody knows about what's going on in their own little silo, their own little, data management area, or monitoring, or manufacturing, or stats, or the lab tests, whatever. It's really, really good because the whole team gets together at the outset. I cannot remember the number of times once everybody's gathered around either a real or a virtual table all at the same time to do a risk assessment workshop. The number of times I've heard somebody say to somebody else, "Oh, I didn't know you were involved in this. What are you doing here? What part are you playing?" It's only when everybody sees the scope of what's going on, and when every person has the opportunity to bring to the forum the risks that they are aware of in their particular area, that nobody else will potentially know of, because they are the ones that understand their particular area the best. And also, there are never adequate resources to be available to do everything that's necessary. But risk assessments will always ensure that the resources you've got will be used where they will deliver the greatest benefit. So once risks are identified and scored and prioritised, it's then possible to justify to senior management, as we've already said, why certain things are not being done. When the whole team meets and starts to communicate from the beginning, you make a really positive start. And I have said to numbers of study teams, once we've done the risk assessment, and maybe not study teams, project development teams, change management teams, whatever they were, that if actually they only ever did the risk assessment, there'll still actually be the risk assessment activity, the workshop to determine what the risks were. If they never actually did anything else, they would actually still be better off, and their outcome will be improved than it would have been if they hadn't done it at all. The whole team meets to communicate. They all really know what they're doing. It's a structured process. It's actually got a series of steps that you go through. It's a structured process that sets a good discipline across the whole team.